Best practices for Revolut batch payments is a crucial topic for businesses and individuals who regularly make multiple payments to different recipients. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to ensure you get the most out of Revolut batch payments. To start, it is essential to understand what batch payments are. Batch payments allow you to make multiple payments to different recipients in a single transaction, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Revolut batch payments offer a range of benefits, including faster payment processing, lower fees, and increased security. Before creating a batch payment, ensure you have the necessary information, including the recipient's name, account number, and payment amount. It is also crucial to verify the recipient's details to avoid any errors or discrepancies. To create a batch payment, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Batch Payments section. Upload a CSV file containing the payment details or manually enter the information. Revolut allows you to upload a maximum of 1,000 payments per batch, making it an efficient way to make multiple payments. When creating a batch payment, it is essential to use the correct payment type, such as SEPA or SWIFT, depending on the recipient's location. You should also ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the total payment amount. Once you have created the batch payment, review the payment details carefully to ensure accuracy. Revolut also offers a payment validation feature, which checks the payment details for any errors or discrepancies. After verifying the payment details, confirm and submit the batch payment. Revolut will then process the payments, and you will receive a confirmation email once the payments have been made. To get the most out of Revolut batch payments, it is essential to follow best practices. These include regularly reviewing and updating your recipient list, using the correct payment type, and ensuring sufficient funds in your account. You should also keep a record of your batch payments, including the payment date, amount, and recipient details. In conclusion, Revolut batch payments offer a fast, secure, and efficient way to make multiple payments to different recipients. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can ensure that your batch payments are processed smoothly and accurately. Whether you are a business or an individual, Revolut batch payments can help you streamline your payment process, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors.